That's it. Oh, God. Oh, look at that. Whew. That's sexy right there. That's sexy right there. Okay, so let me show you everything that I'm going to use to make these chicken Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Of course, you're going to need some chicken. I'm using chicken tenders. To season my chicken, I'm using onion powder, garlic powder. I'm using some turkey seasoning. It tastes real good. You can get it from the Dollar Tree. It's Supreme Traditions. But you can use whatever seasoning you like on your chicken. I'm using some Worcestershire sauce. And of course, I'm using some black pepper. Some sliced smoked flavored provolone cheese. Deli style. Here I have some mozzarella cheese that I cut up. I'm also going to use some egg roll wrappers. These are large egg roll wrappers. And I got these from Walmart for $2 and some change, almost $3. And I'm going to use some fajita mix, but it's just some green bell peppers, some onions, and some red bell peppers cut up. You will also need 2 beaten eggs for some egg wash. So after you wash your chicken and you dry it out, allow it to sit at room temperature for a few minutes. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna season your chicken up. So now you're going to put some Worcestershire sauce on your chicken. You don't need a whole lot, just a small amount. Okay, and that is about, I'll say about 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, y'all. And you're just gonna rub it into your chicken with the seasoning, like so, like this. Y'all see that? Flavor on flavor on flavor. So now let's go ahead and let's cook this chicken. So I'm going to place my chicken tenders into my air fryer for cooking. I'm going to close my air fryer up. Okay, so I am going to hit air fry. I'm going to take it down to, I'm going to cook this for 15 minutes per side. So I'm going to flip it after 15 minutes. Alrighty. So when your chicken tenders are done, cut your meat up into smaller pieces so that it can fit inside of your egg roll mixture for your chicken Philly cheese egg rolls properly. Because if it's too big, you won't be able to fold your egg roll. So you're going to cut it down to really, really small pieces. So here into my skillet, I am going to cook that's some olive oil, y'all. I'm using olive oil, extra virgin. I'm gonna cook the vegetables, the red bell peppers, the green bell peppers, and the onions, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna add the vegetables into the pan. Make sure you saute your vegetables until they are nice and tender, kind of translucent, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna add in the chicken. Into this pan with these vegetables. And I am also going to add, like I said, some Worcestershire sauce, because we don't want this to be dried out, okay? Okay? And you're just going to mix this together to mix in the vegetables with the chicken. And allow that chicken and vegetable to cook together for about, I say about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It don't take long. Okay, y'all? You don't want it to cook too long because you don't want the chicken to be dried out, okay? But you want that flavor from the Worcestershire sauce. And the chicken already got seasoning on it. Remember that now. But if you want to taste it and feel like you need to add some more seasoning, you go right ahead, okay? But for me, it's good enough. Because I tasted the meat once it came out my air fryer, okay? Okay, so now it's time to build our egg roll. I'm going to lay down a slice of the provolone cheese. Make sure that your egg roll wrapper is the way that you see mine is. Like a diamond when you're facing it. Because that will be the best way to roll it. Then you're going to go ahead. You're going to put some of your chicken Philly. Your chicken Philly, you know what I mean, stuffing for your egg roll on top of the provolone cheese. Also, remember to add your mozzarella as well. I see I didn't add my mozzarella in this clip. I'm doing the voiceover, y'all. But I did add it in my other egg rolls. And if you don't have mozzarella, you ain't got to have none. Just use your smoked provolone cheese. Because that smoked provolone cheese is the bomb. Okay, make sure you fold your corners in. Pinch them down with your fingers. And then fold it in and pull it tight. So that it looks like an envelope. I know it's kind of hard to see from this angle, but it looks like an envelope. Okay, and then get your egg wash and take your egg wash and wipe the top of it like so, like that. Okay, everyone? Because that egg wash is going to allow it to stick and stay together so that when you are frying it, it doesn't pop apart. And roll it tight. Roll it as tight as you can get it, okay? You want enough filling where it fits inside of your hand, the palm of your hand, okay? Make sure your corners are tucked. Everything is sealed up tight. And then you're going to take your egg wash and you are going to cover the outside of your egg roll with your egg wash, everyone, okay? And this is going to help it crisp up and make that crunch and have a beautiful brown coating once we get ready to fry these egg rolls, okay? Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's get ready to fry these egg rolls. And we are going to fry these egg rolls for 3 to 5 minutes or 2 that are nice and golden brown. Okay? Okay, everybody, so now it's time for me to get ready to take the egg rolls out. Ooh, y'all see that? Nice and beautiful golden brown egg rolls. Okay, everyone, so these are my egg rolls. I'm gonna cut into them so that you guys can see how I made what they look like on the inside. These chicken Philly egg rolls, okay? Oh, that's it. Oh, God. Oh, look at that.
sexy right there. That's sexy right there.